Hi there. Let's talk about the Akashic Records. There's an energy field created with every thought, every word, every emotion, every action generated by every experience. This energy field is what they call the Akashic Records. Akashic because it is composed of Akasha, which is a Sanskrit word for the energetic substance that forms life, like ether, and records because of the purpose of recording all life experiences. These records contain the knowledge and experiences and expression of past, present, and future possibilities. They are like a vast virtual library that stores everything in the form of waves and vibrations. The information in the records brings your past to the present moment. By accessing the records, everything that was or has been created can be identified, released, and transformed. We can ask questions to get more information about yourself, your behavior patterns, physical symptoms, purpose, and meaning. Working with the records for healing and resolution of any program and problem gives a different perspective of the situation or condition. It helps to find the source, to identify if it's related to anything that is deeply rooted and is part of the subconscious or subconscious pattern, for example, and the lessons that can be learned from it. I use the records by opening myself to the information and relaying what I have encountered, giving the person tools to transmute the energy that has been stored, causing disease, causing pain, causing repetitive patterns, resistance to treatment, etc. As many of you know, this training did it almost 11 years ago in Egypt, and it changes lives. It changed mine. It facilitates deep, long-lasting healing. So if you want to know more, please don't hesitate to send me a message, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.